You scrolling through Instagram, seeing everybody else living their best life? You're grinding away at a job you hate, wishing you could hit the beach, travel the world, or just work from your couch in your underwear. Listen up. Freelancing could be your ticket to freedom. And I'm not talking about some vague, if you believe it kind of way. I'm talking real deal, build your own empire kind of freedom. I'm here to give you the no BS guide to launching your freelance career. We're diving deep into everything from finding your niche and landing your first client to managing your money like a boss and overcoming any obstacle that life throws your way. Get ready to unlock the secrets to flexible hours, unlimited earning potential, and being your own damn boss. This is your sign, your moment, your chance to take control of your life and create the future you deserve. Let's go! All right, let's break it down. What exactly is freelancing? Freelancing is like being the CEO of your own life. You're the boss, the talent, the one calling the shots. You provide services to clients, but you're not tied down to one company or a soul-crushing 9-to-5. You choose your projects, set your hours, and work from anywhere you can find a Wi-Fi connection. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but is it really that awesome? The answer is a resounding hell yes! Freelancing is exploding right now. Millions of people are ditching the traditional job market and embracing the freedom and flexibility that freelancing offers. And the best part? It's only getting bigger. Need more convincing? Check out these stats. Did you know that freelancers currently make up over 35% of the US workforce? That number is projected to hit a staggering 50% by 2027. That's right. People are waking up to the fact that they don't have to settle for a life of mediocrity. They're realizing they have the power to create their own opportunities and design a life they love. Think about it. No more commuting, no more office politics, no more begging for a raise. You're in control. You set your rates, you choose your clients, and you build a career that aligns with your passions and your lifestyle. But let me be real. Freelancing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. The feeling of freedom, the satisfaction of building something from scratch, the ability to control your own destiny. That's priceless. So if you're tired of the rat race, if you're ready to break free from the shackles of a traditional job, then keep watching because I'm about to give you the blueprint to turn your freelancing dreams into a reality. So, you're ready to ditch the cubicle and embark on your freelance adventure, huh? That's awesome. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I got you. The first step is to figure out what you're good at, and more importantly, what you actually enjoy doing. What are your skills? What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for others? Maybe you're a writing wizard, a graphic design guru, or a social media savant. Whatever your talents, there's a market for it in the freelance world. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build your portfolio. This is your online resume, your chance to showcase your skills and experience to potential clients. Even if you're just starting out, don't sweat it. Create some sample projects, offer your services to friends and family, or volunteer for a nonprofit. Just get some work under your belt that you can be proud to show off. Next up, you gotta get yourself out there. Create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms are like virtual marketplaces where freelancers and clients connect. Make sure your profile is top-notch, highlighting your skills, experience, and why you're the best choice for the job. And don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and attend industry events. You never know where your next big break is going to come from, so get out there and start building relationships. Okay, so you've got your portfolio polished and your profile set up. Now it's time to land some clients. The key to finding clients is to be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and hunt them down like a lion stalking its prey. Social media is your best friend here. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to connect with potential clients. Share your work and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Engage in conversations, join relevant groups, and don't be afraid to reach out to people directly. Networking is also crucial. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and let everyone know you're open for business. You never know who might need your services or who knows someone who does. And don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned job boards. Sites like ProBlogger, Indeed, and even Craigslist can be gold mines for finding freelance gigs. Now, when it comes to building a killer reputation, it's all about delivering exceptional work and exceeding your clients' expectations. Communication is key. Keep your clients informed every step of the way, be responsive to their needs, and always strive to over-deliver. And remember, happy clients are your best marketing tool. Ask for testimonials, encourage reviews, and let your clients' success stories speak for themselves. Let's talk about the money. One of the biggest mistakes freelancers make is undervaluing their services. Remember, you're not just charging for your time. You're charging for your expertise, your experience, and the value you bring to the table. Do your research and see what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Consider your skill level, your experience, and the complexity of the project. Don't be afraid to charge a premium for your services, especially if you're delivering exceptional results. Once you've set your rates, it's crucial to manage your finances like a boss. Keep track of your income and expenses, set aside money for taxes, and make sure you're getting paid on time. Invoicing can be a pain, but it's essential for getting paid. Use online invoicing tools like FreshBooks, Zoho Invoice, or Wave to create professional invoices and track payments. And don't forget about taxes. As a freelancer, you're responsible for paying your own taxes, so make sure you're setting aside enough money throughout the year. Talk to a tax professional to make sure you're taking advantage of all the deductions and credits available to you. Look, let's be real. Freelancing isn't always easy. You're going to face challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. But that's okay. Every successful freelancer has been there. The key is to be prepared and to develop coping mechanisms for dealing with the inevitable ups and downs of freelance life. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is inconsistent income. One month you're rolling in dough, the next you're wondering if you can afford ramen noodles. The key is to be proactive. Always be on the lookout for new clients, diversify your income streams, and build up an emergency fund so you can weather any storm. Another common challenge is isolation. When you're working from home, it's easy to feel isolated and disconnected from the outside world. Make an effort to connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and get out of the house regularly. And then there's the dreaded work-life balance. When your office is your living room, it can be tough to separate work from your personal life. Set boundaries, establish a dedicated workspace, and make time for yourself outside of work. The freelance journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you want to give up, when you question everything. But it's during these challenging times that you need to dig deep. Remind yourself why you started, and keep pushing forward. So there you have it, my friend. I've given you the blueprint, the inside scoop, the no BS guide to crushing it as a freelancer. Now it's up to you to take action. Remember, the freelance world is yours for the taking. It's a world of endless possibilities, where you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and create a life you love. We talked about what freelancing really is. It's not just a side hustle, it's a movement. It's about taking control of your life and your career. We dove into how to identify your unique skills, build a portfolio that shines brighter than a diamond, and set up your online presence like a boss. You learned the secrets to finding clients who value your work, building a reputation that precedes you, and setting rates that reflect your worth. No more undervaluing yourself. We even tackled the tough stuff, managing your money like a pro and overcoming challenges like a true champion. Listen, the freelance life isn't for the faint of heart. It takes guts, determination, and a whole lot of hustle. But I know you've got what it takes. I can feel the fire in your belly. Now go out there and make it happen. Share your own freelancing tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of empowered individuals who are creating their own paths to success. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 tools every freelancer needs to succeed. We're talking productivity hacks, time-saving software, and essential resources that will take your freelance game to the next level. Stay tuned and have a beautiful day.